So last night was pretty frustrating because I just wasn't feeling what I was drawing. I was pretty motivated when I started, but it just wasn't giving me what I wanted. So overall, I don't think it's bad, but it's just not good enough. And this is a general feeling that I've been having for a while now. I've been overthinking a lot. I don't really feel gravitated towards drawing or making any art content. So maybe it's safe to say that I'm currently going through an art block. Earlier this year, I got a watercolor and markers, and I've not even tried them yet. And recently, I've been getting into digital drawing. I mean, it's 2026, so why not? I have to say though, I don't really have all those professional tools yet, just my pen and iPad, and it's been a little progressive. So today, to deal with my art block, I think I'm going to try drawing with markers, just to try and change the medium. So let's see how it goes, but first, I think I need a coffee.
I wouldn't believe if she opened up my heart to me. I still need to grow. Ain't no time for speaking. I'm on the opposite side of what I needed before. Disregard the past, now I'm ready to let go. I never knew I needed more. Don't wanna keep it on the low. Now it's time for me to value the things I never saw. Even though the lights are bright, I'm on my knees. As I wait for her to rescue me. I speak as though I try, but I can't even breathe. No, absolution is the key.
Like, what's the key? You and me, moving free, we're meant to be. I love it when you're coming with that energy. You're stressing me to think about a world without my baby G. You're in my dreams, I'm listening to what my heart is telling me. B, if I stay, I'll never leave. When you say my name, baby, it's remedy. Testing me, never clean beat. You're a drug to me, never sober, preciosa. Feeling like you're all I need, you're all I bleed.
Watch me fall to pieces, and I don't know why. Watch me fall to pieces. Now I won't go outside.
Wish I loved myself the way I love you.
So the issue I'm going through right now is I have a limited color palette because I have just 24 colors. Well, I'm trying to make this reddest. I don't know if that makes sense. So I'm thinking or looking for a way to improvise. I don't like the way I did the first one with the pen and marker, so I'm just trying to use marker alone for this second drawing, painting, watercolor, whatever. But I think I'm going to use 909. I think this is going to do the charm. I don't know if you can see it properly. So I think one of my favorite things to do while drawing is watching movies, because I really don't have time to either draw or watch movies, so I just like spend my time doing the two at the same time. So I've always struggled with using colors. I don't think I've ever really taken the time to properly learn how to use it. I just like use it from time to time, and I expect myself to be good at it whenever I pick it up. But I'm always having issues. I'm always struggling with knowing which color to choose, how to go about drawing or coloring. I think one of the things I've learned mostly from watching other people use like color-based medium to draw. It's just for you to trust the process, because most especially like the beginning part is not always looking so good or so well, but you just have to trust what you are doing and go with it.